Oi. Welcome back to Stay Happy Little Mermaid. You need to come here, bruh. Bruh. I'm talking to the bird. Hello, come, bruh, here. Nå får jeg på skulderen. Kommer det vondt da når det kommer? Æsj. Okay. So today we have a bird on the shoulder because it's not going to show like we are porn, you know. That's we have an animal on. That's why people have the birds or the dogs. So the nudity is not gonna make sense, you know. I'm joking. You gotta dance the belly dance with it, okay? Skal du snu en turn around the camera?
Nei. Jeg snur den der mens jeg går der.
Yes, it's okay. I'm filming myself still. So we're gonna turn on the camera the other side, so da må du gå, mamma. You want to be on the camera, Ned, maybe?
Nei.
Nei, mamma! Kom der. We have the bird to not think about that I'm almost naked. So, she left me. She left me for somebody else. Somebody better. Mommy?